Hi everyone, this is Karthik from Design with Karthik. So in this video, we are again going to see yet another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Okay, so in this video, we are going to check it out how to create a transparent gradient mask. Okay, so we are going to use just two tools. One is gradient and another one is transparency. Okay, so with this two tools, we are going to create this effect. So let's get started. So this is the Adobe Illustrator practice sheet. Okay, the link is in the description. You can check it out and you can practice and follow on with the video. Okay, so you can check the link and you can download this practice worksheet. Okay, so for this effect you need to have two windows open. One is transparency. Okay, so let the transparency be here, and another one is gradient. Okay, so let the gradient let the gradient be here. Okay, and we have an asset which is this one. Okay, so this boy is what we are going to make it out with a partial transparency, and also we are going to type a text and make it. This is also a transparency. There is a transparency added to the text also. Okay, so to start with, just copy the boy and paste it in the worksheet. Okay, so now we want a gradient that needs to be transparent from the bottom to top. Okay, so for that, just create a square around that boy. Okay, and make sure the boy is completely covered with this square. Okay, now we are going to add the gradient, black and white gradient. So just click on it. Okay, so now the logic of transparency is whichever which is black, that will be with the opacity 0, and whichever which is white, that will be with the opacity 100%. So the medium grayscale will be the partial fade out option. Fade out effect will be coming with that grayish option. Okay, so that is how the logic is. So here we want the transparency from the bottom to top. So let's make this, sorry, let's reverse it. Okay, so now the bottom will be fading out and top will be visible. It will be much more visible. Okay, so now we have created a gradient. Okay, and there is a boy behind it. So now just select both the option. Okay, sorry, select both the group. One is the group which has a boy layers on it, and at the top layer we should have a gradient. Okay, so now just select these two things and just click on the make mask in the transparency window. Okay, so now you can see the partially the boy is fading. Okay, you can adjust it. Okay, just click on G. So actually the earlier gradient, it is not pure black, so we are not able to achieve that 100% transparency. So now I corrected it. So now you can see the partially the boy is getting fading out, and the top it is completely visible. Okay, so now just click on the boy image back. So now you can see, you can move this boy image anywhere. You can see how transparency the boy looks. Okay, so this is how we have created the transparency for this person, for this boy. And now we are going to create a text and add transparency to it. So the process is same. Okay, so the text is ready. So we are going to create a gradient layer top of the text. So follow the same thing, same rectangle. Just click on a gradient and just click 90 degree. Okay, so now select both. Okay, select the text and select the shape above, select the text below the shape, and also select the shape, and just go to transparency, click on make mask. So that's it. So if you want to adjust it, just click on the mask, press G, which is gradient, and you can adjust it. Exit from the mask by clicking on this button. Okay, only then you will be able to do anything apart from this layer, or else you will be sticking on to this layer only. So now it is done. So now let me add a background, same color. Okay, so this mask can be further adjusted. So now let's look neat. Okay, so by this effect we have made a transparency using gradient mask in a shape and also for a text. Okay, so hope this tutorial is helpful for you. You can use it for any social media post or whatever or wherever graphic design works. Okay, so make sure download the worksheet and practice it in Adobe Illustrator and let me know in comments whether this is helpful or not. Okay, so thank you, see you soon in the next video.